Hello everyone, this is Rajyita from Economics Department. Today we are going to talk about the convex set. So what is a convex set? A convex set is a set of points such that given any two points A, B in that set, the line AB joining them lies entirely within that set. This means that the set is connected and has no dents in its perimeter, so that we can pass between any two points without leaving the set. Let's see with the help of some examples. Suppose we have this diagram which is a polygon. Now we have to decide whether this diagram is a convex set or not. When we join any two points, that will give us a line segment. If that line segment lies in the set itself, it is called as a convex set. Otherwise, it is not a convex set. Let's say another diagrams also, and we will decide which of these is a convex set and which of these is not a convex set. Let's see how to do it. So in the first diagram, if we take two points A and B, this will be joined and this will come in the set itself. And if we take another points C and D or M and N, that will also come in the set itself. So this is a convex set. Next, let's move on to the second diagram, which is a circle. So if we take any two points like P and Q or R and S or L and M, that will give us a line segment which will come in the set itself. So again, this is a convex set. In the third diagram, if we join points A and B or C and D, they are in the set itself, but when we join points P and Q or points R and S, the line segment comes out of the set. Hence, it is not a convex set. So, even we get one line segment which doesn't lie in the set, it will say that it is not a convex set. Similarly, in figure 4, when we join points X and Y or F and Z, the line segment comes out of the set, so it is not a convex set. Let's learn the convex set geometrically. So we have a linear space and we take 2 points from that linear space, and we have scalars from the interval 0 to 1, that is, it is a closed interval from 0 to 1. Now we take two elements from the linear space X and Y, and we have to pick a scalar from that interval 0 to 1, and we represent scalar by alpha. That alpha belongs to 0 to 1 interval. Then the set of points like this, like Z equal to alpha X, where alpha is a scalar of X to the point of the linear space 1 minus alpha, and Y that is also a member of the linear space. So this Z type of points is called the line segment from X to Y, where X and Y are both endpoints. That is, this Z must be a line segment in N, and we can represent it as figure 5. Let's see geometrically how we can say that any set in a surface is convex or not. So if we have a surface like figure 6, all of the possible line segments from 2 points join in that surface. That is, if I am taking randomly 2 points and the line segment is within the surface, and I am taking another line segments, and all of the possible line segments are within the surface, so this is a convex set. And if we have a surface like figure 7, then all of the possible line segments are not within that surface, so this is not a convex set. Now I am moving toward the formal definition of a convex set. If C is a subset of that linear space N, and C is said to be convex if and only for all of the elements that was taken from the subset of the linear space, that is C. If we take any two random elements from the subset of N, that is the set C, and the scalar from this interval 0 to 1, and we have elements of this form like alpha X plus 1 minus alpha Y, that belongs to Z, that is the subset of N. So if this condition hold for every two element of the set C, that is a subset of the linear space, and then we can say that C is a convex set.